I'm sure you guys are wondering, how can you make money in Forex? Let me show you. Concept of trading. Okay, so this is especially for beginners who have not understood yet the real concept behind Forex trading. Okay, so in trading, it's very simple. You only have two different ways. Okay, so how are we going to make money in Forex? There's only two ways. Okay, guys, only two ways. One, which is buy. One more, which is sell. Okay, so there's only two ways for you guys to trade and to look for opportunities of making profits. Okay, so for our buy, how does this work? Okay, so for buy, we'll make money when we buy at the lowest price and close at the highest price. Okay, so when we are looking for buy opportunities, so we will buying at the lowest price, and of course we want price to be going above and where we will be closing in profits. Okay, and for sell, it is the other way around. Okay, so we'll make money when we sell at the highest price and close at the lowest price. So it's the other way around. Okay, where sells will be from above, okay, where we want price to come down, and this is where we will be in profit. Okay, guys, so this is for our buy and sell, and there's only these two ways for you guys to make an income in trading. So even if you go into your chart, okay, and you click on where our trades will be at, okay, you'll see only two options where you guys can click on sell by market or buy by market. So of course, this is where we have to look into, find and do an analysis, find a confirmation whether we can then buy or sell, because we want to be buying at a low price when we expect price to go up, and we want to be selling at a high price if we expect price to go down. Okay, guys, so that's the only concept that you guys have to know in trading.